What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to be checking out some truly wireless earbuds, and these are called the Q1 TWS. Now you can get this on BANGGOOD.com for about, I think it's about 18 to 20 bucks. And I want to say a huge shout out actually to BANGGOOD.com, who were kind enough to provide these earbuds for me to review in today's video. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, to start off with the front of the box right here, of course it's all white. We have a picture of what the earbuds are going to look like, and part of it is being blocked by this giant SKU barcode. To this side here we just have some features of it. Of course we got the Bluetooth version 5.0, 10 meters of operating distance, and of course talking and playtime hours about 3.5 to 4 hours. To the back here we have a closed kind of what the carrying case is going to look like, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Of course it's both compatible with Android and iOS, so don't matter the operating system you have, these will definitely pair up to your phone. Alright, let's pop it open, see what we have. Of course we have the case containing the earbuds. Then as always, pulled out the cable by accident. We have manual / quick start guides / product use description / manual. You guys know what this is. Alright, we have a short micro USB cable. Now it would have been awesome if it was USB Type-C, but for an earbuds that's under 20 bucks, you know, micro USB I think is good enough, and it's not that long of a cable either, so carrying it around with you should not be a hassle at all. Alright, let's peel off the protective plastic. And here we have a black looking Tic Tac. Let me grab my Samsung Galaxy Buds right here. So just a quick size comparison. Now, link to the description of my Samsung Buds, you know, if you guys want to check it out. Alright, cool. A pretty fair size comparison. Alright, so it's all black, nothing crazy going on here. We have the front of here, which gives us that fascinating or satisfying click that I know I like I like a lot. It's, pretty satisfying. To the back here we have a micro USB charger and a hole right here, which I'm not sure what it's for. Comment down below if you guys know what this little hole is for. Anyways, let's pop it open. We're greeted with our two earbuds. Let's pop them out. Of course, we have our little metal pins which secure the earbuds in there for charging. Let's actually test it out and see how strong it is. For some reason I like to do that. Alright, let's pop it open, and yep, those are pretty in there, guys. So magnets are pretty strong. Alright, let's pop these out. Let's take a look at the earbuds. And I'm going to grab my Samsung earbuds, so once again give you guys a size comparison, because these are pretty popular now. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this somewhere around. Alright, so let's grab it. There we go. So, it's actually a little bit smaller. I think the earbud part, actually, like the piece that actually goes into your ear, it's a little bit longer, but nonetheless, it's about the same size. So if this can fit in my ears comfortably, these can definitely fit in my ears comfortably. Alright, so it's not a lot going on in the earbuds. You have a right side, which it's labeled, and then you have a left side. We have the metal connection which connects to the magnets inside the carrying case. We have our mics left and right, and of course we have our little speakers in there. Let me get this out the way. Alrighty, let's pop this button because I'm pretty sure the buttons are here. Let's see what happens. There we go. So the little white circle is actually a ring of LED. Alright, let me grab my iPhone and let's try to pair these bad boys up. Alright, so I'm going to just reset my Bluetooth. I'm going to turn this on. Let's see what happens. So my Galaxy Buds are actually on. Let's just close those. Don't want that getting into the way. Oh, and there we go, guys. We have Q1. So that's what it's going to pop up as. Q1. We're going to hit it. And these should... Oh, those connected really, really quickly. Awesome. Alright, let's go over to YouTube. We're going to go to non-copyright music. Shout out to non-copyright music. You guys make some pretty good beats. Okay, we're at maximum volume. Okay, so they're loud enough that I can hear them, just being right here, nowhere near my ears. There you go. It actually sounds pretty good. Not too bad. Alright, I'm gonna bring my mic over, just put it right there, just so you guys can get a feel of how it sounds. Alright, here's the mic. I'm just gonna tuck them right there. Alright, comment down below what you guys think about them. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in my ear. Let's see how comfortable it is, and let's see how this actually sounds from my point of view. Alrighty guys, so I got here the right side and we got the left side. Let's pop them in just to see how they look. There we go. There we go. So they look pretty good and it's actually pretty comfortable. Let's kind of shake my head, see if they fall out. Let's see how strong they are. Alright, they're in there, ain't coming out, and they're actually pretty comfortable. Now for me, comfort is definitely a must when you're using any type of headphones. I'm pretty sure it's the same for you. So yeah, comfort, thumbs up. Alright, let's pop open some music. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so I'm gonna play the same non-copyright tunes that I was rocking out for you guys. Let's start this over. Alright, now let's see how these sound. Okay, now while it's building up to, you know, the climax of the song, I just want to also tell you guys now, this button right here, in addition to pairing the Bluetooth, actually have two other functions. If you hit it one time, it pauses the track. And then if you, well, oh, okay, my title is open in the background. Okay. Let me just close my title. It's just getting in the way. Alrighty guys, so back to it. So, if you press it one time, like that, it pauses the track. And if you play it again, of course it plays it. Now if you double press, it takes you to the next track. Now there isn't no like reverse to go back to the older track. Let's try it out. Yeah, I actually tried it before. So you can only go ahead, but you can't go back. Alright, so let's go back to my tune. There we go. I'm actually gonna just go skip it to the climax. Alright, so what I'm getting so far from these is that first, they're not super bass heavy, which for some people it's a good thing, and then for others it's not. Now for me, it's not a big deal for me. Why? Because I watch a lot more movies and TV shows instead of listening to like a lot of music. Now I love music, but I spend more time watching movies and shows compared to the amount of time I spend listening to music. And for that, I don't need a lot of bass. Now, if you're into super bassy and you like just bassy, just a lot of bass, these aren't up there in terms of like bows or like beats. Now, once again, these are $20, so don't expect that. But if you listen to music on a more of a lyrical basis, like you want to hear the words and all the lyrics of the tunes, and you don't want no something like just booming all the time, these are really good for that. Now the other thing I'm noticing now for cheap headphones, the connection between the headphones and the phone is actually really strong. It's not disconnecting at all. I don't sense any kind of distortion. It's a very strong connection. Sounds so far so good. Alright, I'm gonna open up my title now. Let's see, where's my title? Where did I put you? Oh, there you go. So title. Let's see what we got here. I think the last thing I was rocking was Chainsmoker. There we go. So I'm just going to rock out to that. Alright. I'm going to skip it a little bit. It's getting to the climax, guys. Alright, so far, I think I like these. Now, for $20, it's definitely worth the $20. Now, if you're in the market for headphones and you're not sure what to get and you just want to try it out, these are not bad. Link will be in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. $20, you can't beat it. It sounds good. It's definitely in the ear. It's comfortable. It's not bass heavy, if that's your cup of tea. Yeah, and it's, you know, pretty cool case. Super easy to carry. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say about the earbuds, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, you know, hit the thumbs up. It definitely shows the support for the channel. If you guys have these already, comment down below your experience with it. You know, be honest, you know, share it with the community out there. You know, everyone likes to know opinions. Yeah, yeah, share it, of course. Share it to anybody that this might help, because it's all about helping people, you know, getting some products out there that you might not know it's out there. And until next time, guys, thanks for always watching. Hit the like button. I know I just said it, but I'm going to say it again. Hit the like button. It definitely helps out the channel. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.